Maryland isn't just extravagant. It also offers something for every person, regardless of your class, interests, or social standing. Even if it's true that it's the 9th smallest state in the United States, it still offers colorful diversity and variation, even to its climates and industries. Most of the residents here are employed in companies situated in Washington, D.C. Others are satisfied to engage in employment and business activities in the state's fishing and manufacturing industries. Numerous attractions are found in this place, such as the National Aquarium and the Baltimore Museum of Art. It is indeed a beautiful state, and you should never miss the opportunity to settle here permanently. Hello everyone, this is Sean from PackAndGo, and in this video I'm going to showcase some of the best places to live in Maryland. Watch this video until the end so you can know all your options. And as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this. Let's get started. Number 5. Columbia. This list should start with Columbia. Among all the cities in Maryland, Columbia is considered to be the most family-oriented. Despite having a population of 103,000 as of 2021, Columbia is still a fine place to dwell in. The people are incredibly hospitable, and its environment is pretty safe and lively. Furthermore, Columbia offers affordable housing costs. Its median home value is $378,000, which is still higher than the national average. But if you're gonna compare this number to the housing prices in other cities and towns in Maryland, you'll realize that you can get the best deal here. Moreover, it has a high median household income. Residents here earn at least $108,000 annually, so they can easily afford their needs and wants. Columbia serves numerous amenities, including bars, restaurants, cafes, and parks. It has a thriving nightlife, which appeals to its young residents. Green spaces are also sprawling in the area. The Patapsco Valley State Park and Robinson Nature Center are among the visited locations in this community. For water-based activities and sightseeing, Lake Elkhorn and Lake Catamacundi are definitely alluring sights to key in. Number 4. Ellicott City. Ellicott City should be included in your list of where to move places in Maryland. This suburb situated in Baltimore is considered to be one of the most populous areas in the state, with a population of 72,000. Hence, it's not surprising that it offers a dense suburban feel. But at the same time, its housing cost is still higher than the other cities in this country. Specifically, the median home value of Ellicott City is $537,000. Not so cheap, right? However, most of its residents have their own homes. As a prized area within Maryland, Ellicott offers an upward standard of living to its residents. It has a prosperous economic atmosphere, which is proven by the fact that it has a median household income of $131,000. Numerous employees are situated here, and if you feel like working in other areas, this city offers commute-friendly transportation routes. Another excellent feature of Ellicott City is its educational system. Many school districts serve this area, making it an ideal place to raise your future children. And the best part of Ellicott City is its retention of the old Ellicott City. There you'll find a lot of small restaurants and shops. Ellicott County is also the home of various outdoor attractions, such as the Patapsco Valley State Park and Clark's Ellie Oak Farm. Number 3. South Kensington. If you're looking to move somewhere that provides premium real estate within a suburban setting, then you should head to South Kensington. This area features a number of restaurants, bars, coffee shops, and parks, enabling its residents to enjoy new things from time to time. Furthermore, South Kensington exudes a strong job market, owing to the fact that many employers are situated here or in its proximity. Interestingly, most of its population have high literacy, with a majority of them having a master's degree or higher. Of course, you can't say that South Kensington is a cheap place to live in. If you plan to move here, you have to prepare for its expensive housing and community costs. It has a median housing space value of $754,000 and a median rent price of $2,100. But one should know that roughly 90% of its locals have their own homes. South Kensington is rated as one of the best places to raise a family in Maryland. At the same time, it's a conducive place for retirement because of its relaxed and slow-paced atmosphere. Moreover, you'll love the fact that there are numerous exceptional school districts that operate in this area. Crime rates are pretty low, too. Number 2. North Bethesda. North Bethesda is a premium place of residency in Maryland. One reason for this is its accessibility to Interstates 495 and 270. This particular feature enables its residents to commute to and from Washington, D.C. and other nearby areas. Furthermore, a plethora of entertainment facilities are proliferating the area, especially in the previous site of the White Flint Mall. It also offers its residents and tourists unique recreational destinations such as Glen Echo Park, Central Farm Market, and Cabin John Regional Park. Every October, North Bethesda hosts the Taste of Bethesda event. On this festive occasion, the area's best food and music gather in one place. Of course, living in North Bethesda requires some extra cash. Its median home value is at $567,500, while the prices of its commodities are somewhat in the middle range. Fortunately, living here would also mean that you can access various economic opportunities. An average household here earns a median income of $107,000, so that's something that should appeal to you. From low crime rates to an exceptional educational system, you'll never get disappointed in North Bethesda. Number 1. North Potomac. North Potomac is definitely one of the most beautiful places in Maryland. It's also the best place to live in the state. Because of this, it's notable that North Potomac is slightly more expensive than other cities in the area. Right now, North Potomac has a median home value of $672,000. However, it is notable that most of its residences have their own homes, which indicates the premium living standards that this city offers. Overall, North Potomac has a population of 23,900, but at the same time, it still flaunts its calm atmosphere and sparse suburban setting. If you want to start a family or move somewhere laid back, this is the place to be. Furthermore, you'll appreciate the fact that it has an almost non-existent crime rate. The environment is simply welcoming and safe. Residences of North Potomac enjoy a median household income of $171,000. Coupled by its proximity to various amenities, attractions, and other services, and it's undeniable that this city is providing more for its locals. You also have opportunities to do outdoor activities in North Potomac. The Seneca Creek State, Muddy Branch Greenway Trail, and Carl Henn Millennium Trail are venues for different endeavors, such as fishing and running. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.